Friday. Today we are building an emergency concrete or asphalt ramp at a university that's having a wheelchair basketball tournament. So we are activating everybody for this emergency. This is an official landscape emergency where we jump into action and we do some kind of landscaping that helps someone with some kind of problem they're having. There's Bill, the Bill, the Rick. Why are you standing in the middle of the yard, Bill?
Because that's where the sun is.
He's trying to catch some rays for free.
If I go any closer, it's all shade.
He's trying to catch rays for free.
Kyle's on his way. He's running a little bit late. So
Oh well.
but he is on his way.
Well, I'll give Bill extra tanning time. Don't worry, Bill. We're sending you to the hot asphalt plant today.
Oh,
You can get a steam bath. Did you guys grab the power washer?
No, I had him drill.
What?
I'd like to put a 10 drill.
No, that's the only thing I didn't get. I got the pylons. I got the tactile strip. Do you still have the nozzle on there? Like on the nozzles in the trailer, the water trailer, right? Maybe we can just flush the thing with the hose, with the nozzle. Like it's only a 6x7 area. How much water's in the tank?
It's half.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll just get the nozzle out and flush it till the water's gone.
how far back does the ramp start?
It has to be 10 inches for every 1 inch of height. So the curb is 6, so we'll have to go 60 inches, which is like 5 feet. And then I think we have to go 7 feet wide legally.
Is it on existing asphalt? Or is
Yeah.
it okay.
We're just going to put tackifier down. It's temporary because there's a road going through there.
Oh, okay.
So this ramp is just a temporary ramp.
Okay.
Yeah. A temporary ramp, Bill.
Sorry?
A temporary ramp. How's it looking, Bill?
A little low.
A little bit low. Have to top her up soon.
Last couple of days, though, it's gone down. Since like 2 days ago, it's starting to drop.
Well, it's got 430K on it, so it's probably allowed to burn a little bit of oil.
Yeah, true enough. If I was that old, I'd tell
If you had 430K on you, just think of how much oil you'd burn.
Fuck, buddy, my ankles would kill me.
Paint and the rollers for the paint. I wouldn't worry about putting any tackifier on the curb. I don't want to fuck that up for them because eventually a road is coming right through here. So this is all permanent. That's why this is temporary. How's that going for you?
Not good.
What?
Not bad, but
Well, I think you're gonna end up losing it into the grade. You know what I mean? So these things go, the gap goes dead center of the ramp, and then they go on either side. So if the ramp's 6, what's the ramp? 6'8"? So they're gonna cover like 4 feet of it on either side legally. So just make sure that they go in. I think we should do like the base coat like you said and pack the fuck out of it, then do a top coat, then push these into the top coat and then pack around it and then touch it up so these end up even. These things will have to be like, how much is asphalt compressed? Like ½ inch?
Well, if you had a proper, I don't think we have a proper weight for the, sorry? Small one.
Yeah.
So, by right, yeah, it goes down. You put 4, you're gonna get 2.
Yeah.
But that's the proper weight of a machine or whatever.
When you pick it up, pick up 2.5 ton. I'll show you where I want to have a storage area for this job and where we can dump the asphalt if there's extra. And then we'll just load it into the asphalt bin. Is that where we already have approval for the collapse over there to repair it? And there's another collapse there, and we have approval for that other ramp. And we have a bunch of asphalt to tear out on the far side. That's like a drainage thing. So we'll make a, I'll just show Bill where I want him to dump it, and then we'll just load it into a fucking bin after. You might have to wait an hour for that to dry before you tackify it. I was thinking that we should tackify it in 2 stages. Tackify the first ramp, and then fresh it back on the outside for the second ramp, so we're not walking in it to do the first ramp. I don't know. You guys do what you want. I'm not an expert at this, so.
What do you think? What do you think the plan of attack's gonna be? You're gonna have me come and dump, or are you gonna shovel it out?
Probably shovel it out, I guess. Or you can dump some of it, like you can dump a bit of it.
Get it started, so you
Yeah.
can at least have something to work with.
Yeah.
Because then it's just a matter of getting your height and then shaping it to how far out you want it.
Yeah.
And then that's when you can start throwing more in, right? I need more here, I need more there.
Yeah, then we can shovel it out.
Yeah.
I think it says 2 ton, maybe you should get 2.5.
2.5.
Just because you can't go back.
Yeah.
I don't know what exactly this will take, so
No,
I
I
would get
understand.
2. I'd rather have a ½ ton that we dump
Yes.
than
So
fucking.
is that going to be in that?
Yeah, I'll show you now. We can go over there. I'm gonna go over with Bill and just show him where to dump.